it's time to announce the winners of the Dancefloor DnB contest. And this was tracks made using the Dancefloor beta pack. So if you downloaded that, then thanks for joining and thanks for submitting tracks. I'm going to pick 3 winners. And if you want to join future contests, link down below to join the Discord channel. That's where everything gets announced. So in 3rd place, we've got Esdot. Now this was a really cool track and it used so many of the samples. Let's just listen to a bit of it. So the pluses of this track and why it got 3rd place is really great use of all the samples in the beta pack. The mix down is really nice, but there are just a couple of things I'd tweak about this track. So on the first section of each drop element, the effects down filter is really loud and it kind of takes away from the rest of the drop. So I'd just either remove it completely or turn it right down. Just a bit too loud. And then secondly, the structure has actually improved loads since the last one you submitted, but I could just see improving the structure even more. And to do that, I just download a load of reference tracks and copy what they do. Make sure you have an intro, breakdown, build up, drop, and then another breakdown, build up, drop, outro, and just try and get that organized even better. But it's definitely way improved, so nice job. And in 2nd place we have Goated Rollers District. So let's take a listen to this track.
That's that you're selling, never.
So I had to give this 2nd place because the drop is just filthy. Really great work on the drop. It sounds awesome. But the main reason I couldn't give this 1st place is because the intro is just lacking a little bit. I'll leave a link to one of my videos on how to create better intros for you. Go to Rollers District, make sure you watch that and try and apply some of the elements to it. I think that would help a lot. And then I'd just go ahead and try and create a new intro with this track. And then I think you'll have a banger on your hands. Also the vocal is a little bit weak that comes in a minute, and it sounds a little bit out of time as well, so maybe try a new vocal as well, see what else you can find. Or if you change up the elements and instruments in the intro, these vocals might work better with that, so just have to experiment a little bit. So yeah, develop the intro and then leave the drop how it is, and then hopefully you can make it even better. Now we have 1st place, which is Tragic Mike. Now this track won because the mix down is amazing and overall the track just sounds complete. I couldn't give it to any of the others because you either had issues with the drop, issues with the intro, or just little errors that made the track just sound overall incomplete. Whereas this track just sounds full and complete and pretty good. Still a couple of things I'd change about it, which I'll go over once we listen to it.
I wanna be with you. 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 I wanna love you.
Really nice mix down. Pretty much everything is in place. It sounds great. The idea is really good. The intro is really well developed. The drop is really well developed. Structure is amazing. Sound design on point. Sound selection on point. The only thing I don't really like that much, sounds a little bit cheesy, is the vocals. So if you can maybe find a new vocal, then I think that would improve the track even more. But that is personal preference as well, so you may really like the vocal, and if that's the case, just stick with it. I just think they're a little bit cheesy and a bit repetitive and boring. So Esdot in 3rd place, you win a track feedback from me. So drop me a message on Discord with your track and I'll give you really in-depth feedback on that. Go to the Rollers District, you win any sample pack from the website. So drop me a message on Discord as well and I'll sort that out for you. And Tragic Mike, you win a free download to the Dancefloor drum and bass sample pack, which is just released. If you're watching this and you want that as well, there's a link, first link down below to grab it. So yeah, drop me a message on Discord as well, Tragic Mike, and I'll get that sorted for you. I really enjoyed everyone else that submitted. If you do want some feedback, because I haven't gone over it in specifically, then just drop me a message and I'll give you a little bit of feedback on it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.